Okay, hello everyone. So I'm just going to go through the resources that I've set for you. So this video is specifically for the year 7 one. So if you're year 8 or year 10, please watch the other videos I'm going to post. So with year 7, what you'll have is you'll have a booklet and the year 7 PowerPoint. Now this one here is the information and all of the resources and instructions. And this one here is the actual booklet itself, and you should be downloading those from Show My Homework. Okay, once you've done that, then you will have something that looks a bit like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through the PowerPoint, and then I'm going to talk you through the booklet. Let me just make that so that you can see it. Okay, so first of all, this is a planter project, and the idea is we're going to make and manufacture a plant pot for you to then grow a plant in, preferably a tomato plant or something like that. But the skills that it's actually teaching you are how to research, how to come up with some ideas and be creative, and then rapid prototyping. So although you're going to be making your finished products out of this recycled material, at GCSE level you would actually make prototypes of your products using the same method, so it's a really good skill to have anyway. Okay, so the first task is to research and to try and find out what some of the impact of these things is. What's the impact of plastic? Why is there so much food packaging? What is climate change? What are the 6 R's? And so first of all, follow these links and watch those videos, and it will help you to make some notes as you watch them. And then the second slide here just explains about how not all things can be recycled, and sometimes recycling itself can actually harm the planet. Fix that typo there. So watching that video will give you a better insight, and then I want you to draw your conclusions. If we go over here now to your booklet, what we've got is a suggested timeline, and for this one, week 1, it's all about just completing those research tasks. So you put your name in here, and then here is activity 1. So there are good points and bad points about recycling. You can type your answers in and then come up with an opinion. Is recycling good or bad or somewhere in the middle? You decide, but then justify your answer in this box here. Okay. So once you've done that, we're going to look at the 6 R's. And let's just go back to the information slide. So here we have the 6 R's, and we have an explanation of what sustainability means. So if you watch this video, it will go into each of the 6 R's and what they mean. And your activity is to then look around your home and your house and think about, well, what could you do that would reduce and have a positive impact? What could you do that would refuse and have a positive impact? And if you're still not sure after watching those videos, I've created an example for you here. Okay, and then the next slide is going to be about a bit of research at home. So you've done some basic research, you understand why you're doing this, but now you need to figure out, where's your products going to go? Is it in the lounge? Is it in the kitchen? Conservatory? Or out in the garden? And so it's really important to find out where it goes so that you can think about what shape it needs, what properties it needs, what material it should be. So you can either, in your PowerPoint, create a mind map here and then write the 6 R's for how your product will affect those. And this is specific to the planter that we're going to make. Or if you follow this link here, it takes you to a website where you can make a mind map like this. And I find it much easier to use that website because you're not spending all your time sort of drawing lines and making boxes to type in, which can take a long time. You just type the stuff in and it just sets it up into little mind maps for you. And then you can just copy that and paste it into your booklet on this page here. Okay. And that is it. That's research. So that's just 5 slides for week 1, 3 slides of work, And that is it really. So I think you probably could do this. You could probably get through this quite quickly. But the idea is that you do it in a relaxed way and you allow yourself time to sort of think about things and incubate about things. So for week 1, just complete the research tasks.